Still a traitor.
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
There are two types of dogs that exist.
Sit up, cutie. Sit. What a good boy. I got you something.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, shut up, I love it.
Darcy?
Look at this. Looks like a fucking massacre. I'm so sick of you. Nike, look at me. What the fuck is your problem?
Sam! Sam! What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
Focus. Only your expectations can slow you down.
Listen, my guys, when my dog sees a fridge, he just gets up on it. Because it's the fridge dog. Just a good fridge dog, just some ears.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
Dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog. Yes.
Can I please take a nap?
With it, group, drop.
My ass like the drum. Now who chewed my remote? Dixie? Or Sandy?
How to recall your dog.
Park.
Smile.
Cyrus, the people want to know, can we get an a whoop?
No! 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 No!